So I just got back from a trip, and this is what I came home to. Yeah, these are all little trees, and within 7 days, I was gone for 7 days, this is how much they grew. Okay, now I've dealt with this a few times already. So there used to be a tree here. So these are basically just baby seedlings that are growing. And my grass is getting torched by this sun. I should have watered it more. And there was a tree here. So these are all seeds that are growing. So I'm gonna show you how to get rid of these. Now what these are just all like little seedlings. And I haven't put any pre-emergent down in a few months. And the pre-emergent, what that does is actually stops the seeds from germinating and I guess growing. Since I haven't put that down in a few months, you know, those seeds start to germinate. And you know, if I walk around the neighborhood, actually, I see it on a lot of houses. I see these same little trees growing. So what you want to do is you want to keep those little trees like that, even though it looks terrible. The reason why we're going to leave them like that is because we can use something like this. This is like Roundup. Basically, you want a non-selective grass weed killer, okay? Herbicide, I believe they refer to it as. But basically, it's just a Roundup. This kills, if you put this on grass, you put it on, it'll kill everything, okay? So the most popular one everybody knows of is Roundup. This is Spectracide, but same thing. You just need a non-selective herbicide. And I'll put the one that's like Glyphosate or something like that. I'll put it right here on the screen. But what I do is I take this, and I've done it a few different ways. I have in the past used a small paintbrush to apply this, but today I'm just gonna use my hand. A paper bowl plate or whatever, a paper bowl. Sorry, I just got up, you know, it's a little foggy. I don't wanna spill this in my lawn because it'll kill everything. So I put it in a bucket. So now we got it down there in that bucket. I'm gonna go around to every one of these, dip my hand in there, and then sort of coat this. Now you could use a brush if you wanted to. I've done that, but you want to just make sure to get a really good coat on all of them. I just grab the root and I move up the root. I know, is this crazy? Like I come home, I'm like, what? So I'm gonna go around and get that on every one of those little trees. And I guess I'll come back in a few days and kind of show you what they look like. Here we are a few days later, so you can see these things are shriveling up and dying. And it's very clear to see which ones I forgot. So I apparently didn't do these. You can see this one is going away. So this is gonna just disintegrate and disappear. Man, this lawn is torched. Maybe I should turn that on. Let's reapply these. So this is how I've handled it for the last few years. There used to be trees there, and I think a lot of seeds just dropped over the years. This has worked. This will keep you from killing all the grass around it. You just kill exactly what you want. This will also work if you have like a weed in your yard and it won't stop growing back. You can't get that root. You can do the same thing, kind of just put some Roundup on it, use a little brush. All right. I hope this helped you, maybe gave you an idea. I'm Mike, Found with DIY TV. Please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button and leave me a comment. And, you know, the comments around Roundup and stuff like that, they're welcome, but you know, we're not drinking this stuff, okay? So be very careful, wear gloves, don't spray downwind, things like that. Be very sparse when you use Roundup. I get it, it's not the best thing. It gets the job done. I'm Mike, Found with DIY TV, and I'm Roundup out of here.